So folks, in this video, I'll show you how to unbox and set up the Arctic Air Pure Chill Deluxe Evaporative Cooler. And if you're looking to buy one of these, I'll leave a link right below the video, so feel free to check that out. So I went ahead and got everything that was in the box out of the box. And what you'll find is the unit itself, the USB-C to USB-A cable, the power adapter, and some product guides. We're then going to remove a few pieces of packing tape. The two up top. Let's remove both pieces, and then let's remove the two pieces in the front. And we're going to pull on this tab, this white tab all the way at the bottom, and pull that drawer out, and then pull the cartridge out from inside the drawer. And the next step is to pre-soak the cartridge. So we're going to soak it under a faucet with cool running water and ensure all the sponges inside the element are soaked. And I'm going to put the pre-soaked filter back into the machine. Now there's a sticker on top which indicates how you should install it. So I'm going to put it back into the tray with the arrow facing forward, as you can see here. And then I'm going to push it back into the machine. Push it in till it locks into place on both ends. The manufacturer also recommends washing this every week. You can put it on the top rack of your dishwasher, or if you don't have a dishwasher, you can just use warm soapy water to wash it and dry it out. You'll have to pre-soak this again before putting it into the machine once you've washed it. And they also recommend replacing this every 3 months. So if you're looking for replacement elements, I'll leave links right below the video, so feel free to check that out. The next step involves filling water in the water reservoir. You can remove this little cap over here, and then we're going to fill this entire tank with water. Now the manufacturer does recommend putting ice on the bottom and then filling it with water to get much better cooling performance. That's entirely up to you. In my case, I'm just using refrigerated water, so let's fill this up with water. As you can see, I've filled the tank almost all the way up with nice cold water. Let's replace the lid on the tank, and then I'm going to plug the USB-C end of the provided USB cable into the jack on the back of the machine, and then I'm going to plug the USB-A end into the power brick, and then let's plug that into a wall outlet. Getting the machine running the first time is super easy. I'm just going to hit the fan button, which is your on-off button. Now it starts off in speed 3, or the highest speed. When you turn it on, you can always press it once to turn it down to speed 2, and once more down to speed 1. Pressing it one more time turns the unit off. I'm going to turn it back on and set it to speed number 1 for now. You also then have the option of adjusting how cold this gets by pressing on this frost button up here, and that increases it from 0, which is no water circulation, to speed 2, which is the max speed of the pump. In my case, I'm just going to set it to speed 1 for a moderate cooling level. And this button up here changes the color of the ambient LED. So pressing it once changes it to a different color, and there's a couple of different colors that you can change it to. Or if you choose to not have it on at all, you can always turn that LED off, for example at night when you're trying to get some sleep. And you can also adjust the louvers on the front to kind of adjust the direction of airflow. That's all it takes to get the Arctic Air Pure Chill up and running. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, I'll leave links to this device and elements or cartridge elements for this device in the description right below the video, so feel free to check that out. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please hit that like button, and please also consider subscribing to my channel for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.